Okay, so it is like 8 p.m. but I just got my Amazon delivery, so I am going to be recording a DIY today. I'm going to be putting a shelf up in my closet, my coat closet downstairs. So I will show you guys that. I actually just had this closet wall put back in. There was like mold growing and there was a leak in the roof, so I had to fix the leak and I had to take the wall down to identify that and then fix the leak in the roof, and then it needed to like dry for a couple weeks, but ended up being a couple months because materials were backed up or something, who knows. So yeah, finally I have everything and I'm so excited to have my closet back. Okay, so before I even get to the wall thing, I feel like today I'm gonna do a review of something I got from Amazon. That sounds not promising. The first thing I got, oh wow, these really are like kind of open. So I got these drywall anchors. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using these ones necessarily because I think there's a stud where I'm going to be trying to drill into. I think I'm going to use these. These ones are zinc. I just see YouTubers doing it. But yeah, so this one says it can... I think that this one also can go into stud, so hoping that's true. And maybe I'll also put up this mirror. That would be good too. Alright, so those are the things I got. Oh yeah, and some of them did come out. So these are what these are the drywall anchors. I think that's how this works. And you put the metal part in here and then screw it in, and then this somehow like pops up at some point. But yeah, it's really weird that it's like already open. So now what I'm doing here is probably not exactly what you want to do, but I did not measure or do anything before this, so I actually ended up having to take this out and like put it in a different position. But I will say I was able to drill directly into a stud for the first one, and then I also added a couple more into the drywall with the drywall screws, if that makes sense. And then now you're just seeing me struggling to get this up by myself, and I actually couldn't do it. I had to enlist the help of my roommate, so she really came in clutch here and just helped me get this shelf on because I could not do it myself. Yeah. Yeah, it was. Okay. Now I just gotta put this one in and then it's all smooch. Thanks. Thank you for your help. Finally. And now on to the last part of this Closetmaid system, which is putting in the support beams. And I just did not do a good job of filming here. I'm like actually working in this little corner, if you can see. Yeah, there, right over there. So sorry you cannot see this part, but also again, I did not measure, I didn't do anything I probably should have, and I ended up making a little bit of a mistake, but luckily it didn't hurt anything. Whew. And it is done. So I did make a mistake here and actually made it lower at first, but you know, we ended up getting it right with minimal effort, so hopefully this stays put. Yep. Yeah, that was super empowering. Shout out to my roommate for helping me get this thing up, but I'm so ready now to get some coats back in here. They need to get out of my room.